So here is a brief glimpse of a bevel setup. I'm so glad I got these bevels in today because I wanted to send them to you. These are the half houses, double half houses. They're so beautiful. It's just an incredibly beautiful bevel. This is what they look like. They've got a beautiful look to them, and you can see the reflection. Let me see if I can get it over here. You can see the reflection on the... I mean, they're just glorious. So, okay. So, this is what I'm going to send you. I'm going to send you some longer bevels, a few longer ones. But I'm going to send you that. I don't want to send this through the mail because I don't want to break it. If anything breaks, we have to start over. So send you some bevels. Okay, so this is what my, let me check my, this is what my objective was to put, these are bevels. This is a bevel. Clear bevels here. Now we have some options that would be incredibly beautiful, and there's a way to meet the options out so they work. And I have to order these and find out the availability, but as you can see, this little bevel goes in the corner here. We kind of double up on them here, goes in the middle. I probably wouldn't recommend my next choice to you putting them everywhere, but I will give you a couple of ideas. Okay, so here are the clear bevels. The next choice are really incredibly beautiful German hand-pressed jewels, which is what this is. They're about this thick. They have a beautiful thickness to them. They're really quite lovely. It is possible that we could put German hand-pressed jewels into these areas that you see here. Let me move my camera a little bit. Into these areas. They are incredibly lovely. They bring a level of dimension to the panel. They sort of enhance the bevels. These come in a variety of colors based on availability. Here are red. I don't have very many in the shop. It's been taking me a long time to find somebody who still makes them. They're from Germany, but another company may have taken them over. I can't guarantee the colors. So all of this is subjective right now. Red, here's blue. And within the color samples that I'm going to send you, these are the other colors that these bevels come in. I mean, the German hand-pressed jewels. They come in amethyst, black amethyst, clear, dark amber, dark blue, gold pink, light amber, orange, peach, red, sea green, smoke, steel blue, teal green, turquoise, and a beautiful white opalescent. Most of these I'm very familiar with. The new reds might not be the same red. The new blues might not be the same blues. So I don't really know what to tell you about the ones that they're making now. But I wanted to give you that option because that could be really beautiful in this panel. It's just to have something that's a little bit deeper than the bevels to give the panel one more level of depth. But just a suggestion, I'll send these examples to you so you can see what they look like. Don't worry about color right now. You may want to go with all clear. It would be really nice too. But I just wanted to show you that this is sort of where we're going with the panel, and I'm very excited. So these, along with, please don't be concerned that these don't fit. That's not the point of this. These, along with some of the longer bevels, will be enclosed with the color samples. Okay.